Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever feel like budgeting is impossible, especially if your income isn't sky high? Well, I'm here to tell you that you absolutely can take control of your finances, and it's easier than you think. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular and effective budgeting methods out there, the 50-30-20 rule. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to manage your money no matter how much you make. So, what exactly is this magic rule? It's a straightforward framework for dividing your after-tax income. Imagine your income as a pie. The 50-30-20 rule says you should slice it into three specific pieces. The biggest slice, 50%, is for your needs. These are the absolute essentials, the things you must pay for to live. Think rent or mortgage payments, utility bills like electricity and water, groceries for your weekly meals, transportation costs to get to work, and insurance payments. These are your non-negotiables, the foundation of your budget. Next up, we have the 30% slice for your wants. This is the fun part. Wants are everything that makes life more enjoyable, but aren't strictly necessary for survival. This category includes things like dining out at your favorite restaurant, your monthly streaming subscriptions for movie nights, that new pair of sneakers you've been eyeing, hobbies you love, or a weekend trip with friends. This portion of your budget is all about enjoying the money you work hard for. It's crucial for maintaining a balanced and happy life, preventing you from feeling restricted and burning out on your budget. The final 20% is arguably the most important slice for your future self. This portion is dedicated to your savings and debt repayment. This is where you build your financial security. You can use this money to create an emergency fund, which is a safety net for unexpected expenses like a car repair or medical bill. You can also use it to save for big goals like a down payment on a house, a new car, or a dream vacation. If you have existing debt, like credit card balances or student loans, this 20% is your powerhouse for paying them down faster, saving you a ton in interest over time. This is the part of your budget that works for you, building wealth and giving you peace of mind. Now, let's make this real with a concrete example. Let's say your monthly take-home pay after taxes is $3,000. Using the 50-30-20 rule, we can break it down easily. First, 50% for your needs would be $1,500. This amount would cover your essential living expenses. For instance, your rent might be $1,000, groceries could be $300, and your utilities and transportation might add up to the remaining $200. Next, 30% for your wants would be $900. This is your personal spending money for the month. You could spend it on going out for dinners and coffee, shopping for clothes, catching a movie, or putting it towards a hobby. This $900 is yours to enjoy guilt-free because you've already covered your essentials and are planning for your future. Finally, 20% for savings and debt repayment would be $600. This is your wealth-building fund. You could decide to put $300 into an emergency fund until it's fully funded, and use the other $300 to make an extra payment on a credit card. Once the credit card is paid off, you could redirect that full $600 towards investing or saving for a down payment. Over a year, that's $7,200 you've put towards your financial goals. The real beauty of the 50-30-20 rule is its flexibility. These percentages are guidelines, not rigid laws. If you live in a city with a high cost of living, maybe your needs creep up to 55% or 60%. That's okay. You can adjust by reducing your wants category to compensate. On the other hand, if you're laser-focused on becoming debt-free or saving aggressively, you might slash your wants to 15% and boost your savings to 35%. The key is to be intentional with your money. Track your spending for a month to see where your money is actually going, then use the 50-30-20 rule as a target to align your spending with your goals. You are in the driver's seat. So, are you ready to give it a try? Your challenge is to sit down this week, calculate your after-tax income, and apply the 50-30-20 percentages. See how your current spending stacks up and identify where you can make adjustments. It might just be the simple change you need to transform your financial life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more smart money tips. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried the 50-30-20 rule or if you have another budgeting method you love. See you in the next video.